about that range on your e-bike and why you're not getting the advertised ranges. Full disclosure, as you know, I have a JuicedBike HyperScorpion with over 400 miles, and I've owned the bike for about 3 weeks. So most of my references are going to be from this bike. Unfortunately, there is no listed organization that rates e-bikes range or even sets rules for a fair and equal range ratings. We know China lies, then they deny about lying about everything. Even if there was such an organization, getting fair ratings would still be tough. There's so much to consider. For example, how much the rider weighs, what level of assistance the rider chooses, the terrain they're cycling over, the amount of luggage they're carrying, how fast they go, how many times they start and stop, wind conditions, temperatures, tire pressure, what kind of battery, how old is the battery, the size of the motor, how fast are you going. It's a little bit overwhelming in that sense alone. However, there are a few equals I can give you. One is bigger motors, bigger battery equals more power and more torque. The more weight and rolling resistance is going to equal a lower range. Less weight, less rolling resistance is going to give you a higher range. Think Lance Armstrong. Skinny, aerodynamic, high pressure, skinny tires, the highest quality components, highest quality bearings, no suspension, all that equals a low rolling resistance. Even the bearings on pedals add or detract from the resistance. The head sets, the bottom sets, the axles, all that adds up. Then there's the rider's mindset. By this, I kind of mean the JuicedBike HyperScorpion on race mode is sucking every watt to provide top performance, and range is not even coming into the question. The JuicedBike HyperScorpion on level 2 and not using the throttle will get you into the high 30-mile range. For me, I have found my riding style. I like level 3, mostly throttle. That gives me a maximum range of about 31 miles for the bike and 25 for my ass. Now, JuicedBikes reporting 70 plus range. Here's how they do it. Put a 70-pound athletic boy, no battery, wind at his back, and let him pedal until the battery that's not on the bike loses its usable shelf life while just sitting there. There's your 70 plus mile range. Now I got a good imagination. I got better sativa. I have no idea how they really got to 70 plus on their range. If you can figure something out, then leave it in the comments below. Here's the best thing to do. Once you figure out how you like to ride, and everybody's going to be different, do 5 to 10 trips. Log your miles and how many bars you used. Keep all the metrics as close to possible and average it. It's third grade math. I know you can do it. This is now going to teach you your bike's average when you ride it in the way you like to ride. And there's nothing wrong with whatever the number is. It just is what it is. All right, hit one of those thumb icons below, subscribe, and I'll see you.